Welcome to the complete smart plug guide to home automation. Smart plugs automate your home, and this video explains the underlying technology and how you can use it to your advantage. Smart plugs bridge the gap between analog and digital devices, connecting simple devices to the digital ecosystem. This versatility drives a global market that is expected to reach $5.6 billion by 2032. Smart plugs offer 4 core functions for daily automation: scheduling routines, remote control for safety, voice integration with assistants like Alexa or Apple, and an away mode to deter intruders. Environmental sensors trigger advanced automation using if-then rules. For example, if a sensor detects humidity above 56%, the smart plug activates, running a dehumidifier without manual intervention. Smart plugs can solve everyday household problems. They automate morning routines, enhance safety by powering down space heaters, manage pet care schedules, and allow remote power cycling of Wi-Fi routers. Smart plugs eliminate wasted vampire power from idle devices. Standby power can consume 5% to 10% of an electricity bill. Energy monitoring plugs track usage, and nightly schedules can cut power completely to save money. The setup process takes about 5 minutes. It involves 5 steps. Install the plug near your Wi-Fi router, integrate it using a compatible app, connect to the 2.4 GHz network band, name the device for voice assistance, and test and build initial schedules. Smart plugs use the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network because this frequency penetrates walls better than 5 GHz. While 5 GHz is faster over short distances, smart home devices prioritize reliable signals that pass through physical obstacles. The appliance's wattage dictates the required ampere rating. High wattage appliances need 16A heavy-duty plugs, while standard plugs, 6A/10A, are suitable for lower wattage devices like lamps and TVs. Matching capacity prevents overheating and fires. Slim designs save socket space. Matter certification is establishing a new universal IoT standard to ensure cross-brand compatibility. This unifies ecosystems from Google, Apple, and Amazon. Strong security protocols are essential. You must update the plug's firmware regularly and ensure your Wi-Fi uses WPA2 or WPA3 encryption. Choose reputable brands for long-term software support and security. Smart plugs allow you to create a unified smart home blueprint, connecting multiple devices into a synchronized ecosystem. Examples include low-draw 6A plugs for lighting and heavy-duty 16A plugs for high-wattage appliances. Smart plugs offer the simplest entry to home automation, with low costs and high impacts. They reduce your carbon footprint, enhance physical security, and allow you to expand your smart home network gradually over time.